At some point along your Pinter journey, you may well find that you are struggling to either get your tap out of the Pinter or push your tap in the Pinter after you've washed it. In today's video, I'm going to show you just a quick fix how to remedy this problem. For this issue, we will be using some food grade grease. Now, it's very important that you get the correct grease for this. You shouldn't use just a little tub of Vaseline or something that you might have handy in the house. It has to be the specific one that is both food grade and suitable for rubber O-rings. This is the one that I use. I will drop the link in the comments and in the description if you want to go and get yourself some. It's only a small tub, but it will literally last you years for use with your Pinter 3. If you're looking to fit your tap without using grease, the best time to do it is when you've just washed your Pinter and the actual insert itself is still wet and the O-ring and the tap unit is wet, because the water will act as some form of a mild lubricant and help you get the tap inside. But it's not uncommon that you will still have problems and feel the need to force the tap in, even with the introduction of water or that added moisture. So in either instance, if you see this as a problem, I would show you and recommend that you try the food grade grease to resolve this problem once and for all. You don't want or need excessive amounts of this grease to lubricate the tap before you insert it. It really is a simple case of taking just a teeny dab on your finger and just run it around the O-ring and spin the tap around until just the slightest smear is covering the entire circumference of the O-ring. And that is it. That lubrication is more than sufficient to successfully insert your tap into the Pinter. You can see here that the tap will now insert nice and easy. When you do these taps up, I wouldn't recommend over tightening them, because if you do, it doesn't make the seal better for the tap, because the O-ring seals the water by making contact with the outside of the insert. So the tighter you go, it doesn't make the seal necessarily better. All I would recommend that you do is screw it finger tight until it stops, and then get your two hands and both your thumbs and just pinch it one step further, and that's it. If you over tighten this, you're not going to make it more watertight, you're not gaining anything. And what you'll actually find then is once you've put your brew through the Pinter, you'll find it very difficult to unscrew that, and you might even need to get a tool to undo it. So over tightening is not recommended here. And that's it. It is as simple as that. Once you have lubricated your tap, reinserted it in your Pinter and done it up, you can move your Pinter on to the next stage, which of course is sanitization as usual. So that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.